the first time, it's a little bit chilly in here in a long time because, you know, obviously I'm in Texas and it's kind of hot and stuff. But it's actually kind of chilly and I like it. I'm not even putting a jacket on because I miss that weather. We have a box back there. We're gonna definitely unbox this and see what it's all about. Hey guys, Go Get Sure, making more videos again. And today, guys, we have another front and rear dash cam, but this time it's a little bit different. Something that I've not done before ever. And I'm always on the hunt for the best out of that device. If it's a dash cam, I'm on the hunt for the best dash cam. For the LED light, I'm on the hunt for the best LED light. So I want the best, and I hope that this actually solves a lot of problems. So without further ado, let's get to it. So here's the actual box right here. It's a black box from CHANUN Ace. They have two dash cams, one for the front, one for the rear. Really small, compact dash cams, and also included a separate storage box, you know, to store all your files so that, you know, someone just doesn't take your dash cam and then you don't have your files anymore. Quickly reading off the actual box right here. Full HD front and rear, so you don't have to worry. You know, sometimes dash cams have the front better, sometimes they have the back a little bit lower quality. You don't have to worry about that. Wi-Fi connection to the smartphone. One of the main points that I told you also is the SD card and main body is hidden and secured, you know, in case of a crash and a robbery. Kind of like a black box, you know what I mean? It's not actually on the dash cam, where the dash cam is like right in front and on top right there. It can get damaged in a crash, while this guy is like a black box. You know, airplanes have black box, rockets, stuff like that. And now your car also has a black box. Another big factor a lot of people have been asking me also of these dash cams is, are they good in the heat? You know what I mean? I keep my car garage. Both of my cars are garage all the time, but if your car's not garage, is it capable of, you know, dealing with heat? And this guy actually says that it's the strongest against high temperatures. You know, the cold doesn't matter as much, but the high temperatures of heat, your dash cam is in the sunlight there. This is great because the black box is not directly in the sun. It's inside a glove compartment somewhere, and you don't have to worry about it getting hot or anything like that. Let's unbox this bad boy. Ooh, all right, nothing else in the sleeve. Whoa, it is definitely, they're trying to go for that black box look. Whoa. Immediately you're greeted, whoa, okay, okay. Immediately you're greeted with, you know, a bunch of literature right here, not bad. Put that down to the side. And then also a little sticker right here that you can, you know, stick in on your car windshield or something like that. And it's pretty cool. It says black box recording warning, so not bad. It's, I believe it's a clear sticker. Yeah, it should be a clear sticker to stick on your glass. Let me just take out the actual goodies right here and put it to the side real fast. Oh man, looking nice, feeling good. Let me take out the accessories real quick. Okay, it has some accessories right here. A lot of cables, plug and play cables, obviously. Some more cables right here. Some more cables, and last but not least, a GPS cable. Now, I don't normally use the GPS cables because I don't really need it. You might need the GPS, so there you have it. You have the GPS cable right here. Now, one beautiful thing about this guy right here from this company, CHANUN Ace, is the fact that they actually provide you with a SD card. And a lot of times, companies don't provide you with the SD card, and I like that. That already is a sole factor for me. Let me actually open this smaller package right here and show you what's all in here. Okay, we have a USB dongle right here. I'm not too sure what that is actually for. We'll figure out in a second. And then the actual SD card. Guys, I love that the company provides this because, like, you don't have to buy anything extra. You know what I mean? Everything's already in here. One-stop shop. I like that. Okay, and then the other thing is also this USB card reader right here. You know, you take this, you connect the micro SD card to the micro SD adapter right here, and you take this adapter and you plug it in here, and you plug this in your computer, and bam, you're done. You have all your files and stuff. So everything is included in here. You don't have to, you know, buy other things to retrieve your files and all that stuff. That is beautiful. I like this. I know this is a South Korean company, and they don't mess around, guys. They don't mess around. Okay, now for the moment of truth, the actual dash cam and the black box. I hope you guys know by now why they call it the black box, because the storage, your SD card is not actually where the cameras are, where it can be easily stolen and or damaged in a crash. Okay, the black box is completely somewhere secure, separate, that you hide in your vehicle. So let me take a look at the actual cameras. I believe they're, oh man, they feel nice. I believe they're the same, both of them, but I'll take both of them out just to show you. So after closer inspection, I believe that they're a little bit different. One has an event button on the back right here, and one does not. So this one will most likely be the rear one, where you're not gonna be messing with this. This one right here has one button. It's an event button. And normally an event button is basically where if something did happen, like a crash actually did happen, you know, or you wanna capture something and never delete it, you hit that event button button, and bam, it's recorded and never deletes, okay? Because normally dash cams, you know, they record, they fill it up, and then they delete. They record and delete to use the space on your SD card efficiently. So I like that. It's not complicated at all. It's pretty nice. And last but not least, the actual bad boy itself. This right here is the black box, okay? It has 3M tape on the back right here. They all have 3M tape, by the way. You can, you know, put this on your glass, mirror, whatever, and set it and forget it. You just never touch it again. So the actual black box itself right here, you have the format button, you have a microphone mute button, you have a speaker mute button right here, an event button, some LED lights right here, microphone, speakers, micro SD card slot, USB port, on and off switch right here, power input, GPS, rear and front connectors right here. Very simple, straightforward. Now, the biggest thing about this bad boy is the fact that there's no actual screen on it. This is a black box type of GPS system, okay? So there's no screen on this. The screen will definitely be from your phone pretty much. You download the app and you connect it and bam, you're done. Instead of ever touching this, you can have show everything on here. So that's actually like a kind of awesome thing. So I'm gonna download the app and show how this works as well. So far so good. So what I'm gonna do is simply install it in the front and the back, install this guy, plug everything in, install the app, and show you how it actually works. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alrighty guys, I've set this up and it's ready to go, and it didn't even take that long. You have here the actual black box, you have the wire that goes to the front camera, and you can even read it right there. It says front camera, it says rear camera right here. All this wire goes to the rear camera. There's a camera in the back already, and this wire right here goes to the camera is in the front right there. This right here is a Wi-Fi dongle that connects to your phone, so you can see in real time what is going on. All we have to do now is actually turn it on. SD cards are already in there, you saw that. You know, turn this bad boy on. So I'm just going to turn it on right now, and you can see it's already starting to do things.
Safe drive with CHANUN. Starting normal recording.
Said it started with normal recording, and now it's already recording. It's ready to go. It's already recording in the front right there. It has a green light for the front camera right there. Now that we have everything set up, this is the actual app right here. It is a really clean looking app. Let me show you. I think it's actually really beautiful and clean. It has 4 options up there. Real time, which obviously is real time. Black box, which is everything saved right there. Portable, and then obviously the settings right there. And the main 2 you're going to be focusing on is black box and real time. So if you click on black box first, it's going to show you the stuff that's already been recorded, and you can see this is all wireless, okay? So you can click on it and bam, show the cops what actually happened, or show whoever what actually happened, and bam, you don't have to mess with the dash cam and stuff. So let's go back right here and then click on real time right here, and this is where the fun happens. I'm just going to put okay right here, and so this is the front right here, and you can see shows the front. Just extremely simple, guys, and that's what I like. I want to make sure that it's extremely simple like this. And then I'm going to hit the rear camera right here, and you can see it actually shows the rear. You can see the houses and stuff right there, and the camera is actually back there in the back. I just, you know, put it right there. Now obviously what you're going to be doing is making sure that the camera is nice and straight, is nicely stuck, and the wires, all these wires are hidden. Now this, in terms of wiring, is one of the best wiring I've seen in terms of dash cam, guys. It's so thin. Like, here's the actual cable right here. It's so thin and so like sturdy that you can definitely hide it between this trim and stuff like that. Now when using this bad boy, I would most likely put this back block inside a glove compartment like this, you know, just have it in here, good to go, where it's hidden from plain view. And these wires and stuff will be all hidden right here, so you're not going to know where the actual SD card is. It's just in case if someone wants to destroy evidence. Definitely liking that. As you can see, guys, here's a rear camera. Let me go back to the front view right here. This is the front camera, and you can see the quality is actually really nice. I have the dash cam right here, so I'm actually loving this thing because of the fact that it's a different type of dash cam, okay? It's not a traditional dash cam with the screens right there, the memory cards right there, everything's right there, and if a crash happens, or if someone wants to, you know, delete evidence, they have your device right there. This is a very unique type of camera recording black box type system, and I absolutely love it, guys. Obviously, if you want to use a GPS function, you can definitely use a GPS function on here. I don't normally use GPS function because I don't need it, but that is an option for you guys. Absolutely beautiful dash cam, guys. I am loving this thing, loving the system that they have, and I know you will love it. Alrighty guys, what you guys think about that? That was actually really awesome dash cam. And I have it right there, actually, you can kind of see it. But definitely a very small device. It's not like the traditional, huge dash cams that are just in the car. Like I have, one right there. So it's a different approach, and also the fact that it's a front and rear dash cam. So I absolutely love that too. Very simple to use, very easy to install and stuff. So that's another big factor to me. And so you guys already know it. I'm gonna leave the links in the description below. Make sure you go check it out, guys. But one last thing before I actually head out, make sure that if I send you a message on DM or anything like that about you being a winner, make sure you answer me back, because I have a couple of people that have not answered me back, and I want to make sure I get that out to you guys. But with that being said, there should be a subscribe button and also a video button popping right here. Make sure you click on for more videos in the future. Other than that, guys, KLEANTRIX here saying thanks for watching and peace.